Today we are at MGM Grand to check out their newly renovated rooms. Let me show you around. These are the studio tower rooms. Prior to getting remodeled, it was said that they were dingy and claustrophobic. With that in mind, they renovated the rooms and drew inspiration from Palm Springs, sort of a mid-century modern design, while incorporating warmer tones to really open up the space. And I think they did a great job. I absolutely love this room. It's very modern, fresh, and inviting. I love MGM Grand. It's such a classic go-to property on the Strip. This is the VIP lounge at MGM Grand, which is complete with separate check-in, 2 coffee makers, plenty of snacks and chips, sodas, of course bottled waters, and even baked goods. This is what it looks like now. MGM did tell us they'll be moving some stuff around and possibly doing a mini renovation soon, which to me sounded like they're doing more of a feng shui. However, it is a relaxing lounge and available to Platinum and Noir members. I'd describe this property as being mid-tier. It's not super upscale or anything, but it's also not a dump either. You also have plenty of options as to how you want to spend your time here. MGM Grand is an all-in-one property. It's a destination within itself. However, you do have easy access to other hotel and casinos. For example, there's a bridge to Tropicana, and New York is just across the street, and that has easy access to Park MGM and Excalibur. It's finally pool season here in Vegas, so let's go check that out now. The pool complex truly is grand. There are 4 pools, including a lazy river, 3 whirlpools, and daybed and cabana options. What I love about this pool is that it caters to just about everyone. There are plenty of people partying it up by the pool, and if you're looking to relax and unwind in a quieter setting, you can absolutely do so since there is 6.5 acres of space with plenty of free seating. I've eaten at Hakkasan, which is amazing, and I can't recommend it more. Tonight we are eating at Crush. The first thing you'll notice is the restaurant's chic and stylish interior with dark wood accents, low lighting, and plush seating. There's a large bar area with an extensive wine list and creative cocktails. I was super excited to hear they have a vegan and vegetarian menu, and I wanted to try some of their dishes. We ordered the risotto and the dine chicken. The risotto came with a prominent tomato sauce and was accompanied with a variety of fresh veggies mixed in. The dine chicken was drenched in a lovely lemon garlic sauce and came with some delicious fire-roasted tomatoes and broccolini. Overall, it was a very light and healthier meal. I recommend it if you're looking for exactly that. However, if you're vegan and looking for something rich and hearty and you're at MGM Grand, I would say walk over to Tap for their plant-based burger. I'm also going to give a tour of the Executive King Suite. MGM Grand was kind enough to let us showcase both rooms. I love how much space this room has. You can definitely pack a few people in here or entertain if you need to. There's a workspace, there's a separate living area, the couch is also a pull-out, and the room is very comfortable and clean. If you want to see what the standard grand room looks like, go check out my last MGM video. I'll leave a link below. Let me know what your experience has been at MGM Grand. And as always, thanks so much for watching. Subscribe and join the Babalabe crew, and I'll see you next time. Bye!